Good morning students, in today's video we are going to learn about an operating system. So students, in last video we had already learned a little few information about an operating system. In today's video we are going to learn more detailed information about operating system, and we are also going to learn the 5 most commonly used operating system. So students, I hope you all are excited to learn about an operating system. So let us start. An operating system is a control program that runs a computer. It controls the flow of signals from the CPU to various parts of the computer. When the computer is switched on, the operating system gets loaded into the memory of computer. Whether it is a desktop or laptop computer or a smartphone or a video game system, every modern computer needs an operating system. That is the core software on the computer that sits between application software and the hardware, distributing memory and computing resources to applications, managing files, and enforcing security rules. 5 of the most common operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, Linux, Android, and Apple's I operating system. So let us start with the first operating system, that is Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows has existed in one form or another since 1985, and it remains the most popular operating system for home and office computers. Its latest versions, including Windows 10, are also used on some tablets, and the operating system is used on some web and number crunching server computers as well. Computers from a wide variety of manufacturers can use Windows. Initial versions of Windows worked with an earlier Microsoft operating system called MS-DOS, providing a modern graphical interface on top of DOS traditional text-based commands. Signature features of Microsoft Windows users interface include windows themselves, rectangle shaped on panel screens that represents individual applications. The Windows Start menu has helped generations of users find programs and files on other devices. Efforts to use versions of the Windows operating system for smartphones have been less successful. Now we will move to the next operating system, that is Apple iOS. Apple's iOS is one of the most popular smartphone operating system, second only to Android. It helps an Apple hardware including iPhones, iPad tablets, and iPad touch media players. Signature features of iOS include the App Store, where users buy apps and download free software, an emphasis on security, including strong encryption to limit what unauthorized users can ex- extract from the phone, and a simple streamlined interface with minimum hardware button. Next operating system is Google's Android OS. Android is the most popular operating system in the world, judging by the number of devices installed. Largely developed by Google, it is safely used on smartphones and tablets. Unlike iOS, it can be used on devices made by a variety of different manufacturers, and those makers can tweak parts of its interface to suit their own needs. Users can download custom versions of the operating system because large portions of it are open source, meaning any meaning anyone can legally modify it and publish their own. However, most of people prefer to stick with the version that comes on their devices. Android, like iOS, comes with an application and media store called the Play Store, built by Google. Some phone manufacturers and other organizations also offer their own stores to install software and media. Now, students, next operating system is Apple Mac OS. Apple's Mac OS, successor to the popular OS X operating system, runs on Apple laptops and desktops. Based in part of the historic family of Unix operating systems dating back to the research in the 1960s that AT&T's Bell Labs Mac OS shares some features with other Unix related operating systems, including Linux. While the graphical interfaces are different, many of the underlying programming interfaces and command line features are the same. Signature elements of Mac OS include the dock used to find programs and frequently used files, unique keyboard keys including the command keys, and the spotlight colored buttons used to resize open program windows. Mac OS is known for its user-friendly features, which include Siri, a natural voice personal assistant, and FaceTime, Apple's audio Apple's video calling application. The next operating the next operating system is Linux operating system. Unlike many other operating systems developed on Linux, isn't led by any one company. The operating system was created by Finnish programmer Linus Torvalds in 1991. Nowadays, programmers from all over the world collaborate on source code and submit tweaks to the central kernel software and other programs. A wide assortment of commercial and open source software is available for Linux, and various Linux distributions provide custom user faces and tools for installing software onto machines running the operating system. A favorite of many programmers, Unix is widely used on corporate and scientific servers, including cloud computing environments. Linux can be run on a wide variety of hardware and is available free of charge over the internet. So students, these are some popular operating system. I hope you all have understood this operating system. Thank you. Have a nice day.